So that was Bosque Del Rio. This is the parking lot. Let's see what the little visitor center has to offer. Huh. Little exercise center. Look at that. Oh, it's just a bathroom. Stupid ass. Oh, they got a picnic area. That's cool. Kind of sucks being right by Rosemead, though. Alright, that's enough. Cool little spot that not a lot of people know about. Nice views of the mountains. Nice natural scenery. It's really cool when there's water. Not very cool when it's hot because there's no shade. Right. I give it an 8 out of 10. I like it. In winter. 5 out of 10 in summer. Alright. Back to home.